I am so excited to bring to you Evolve the Leader Within. It's our first seminar series program, and we've developed it because our commitment is to liberate the human spirit. Up until now, we've only been able to liberate human spirits of companies that hire us to do complete organizational transformations. Because we have gotten so much positive feedback on the curriculum and the disciplines and the domains and the body of work that we teach in our cultural alignment programs, we have taken the very best distinctions, the very best lessons, and we've integrated neuroscience, the psychology of self-actualization, flow research, and body intelligence to bring to you these 8-series seminar where we cover everything from creating a future that inspires you to really looking at what's important in your life, what environments you want to experience in your life, and what areas of life, what domains are important to you. We work with you to uncover and accentuate your values, to create a purpose statement or a calling or a reason for being. We then work with you on setting up disciplines that help you operate at your highest and best self more often than not. We actually have a whole module that looks at what gets in our way, what sabotages us, what has us take the road of spinning out and the path of least resistance, but that is harmful to us versus going on the road of most fulfillment. We have an entire module on burnout, on fending off exhaustion, and not just learning about it, but learning what to do about it. The entire body of work we actually go really deep on in our Ignite Power 2.5-day retreat, but we've boiled it down to 12 hours of deep content and another 6 hours of coaching, so that from the comfort of your living room and with a budget that anybody can afford, we're bringing to you the best of the best. My name is Margaret Graziano, and I started my career as a single mother. I was 19 years old when I had my son, David. I was 20 years old working straight commission, and I didn't feel empowered. I felt like I was always struggling to be a mom and then to get work done. And while I survived in my career and thrived, it took me until years later to feel the empowerment. I think my son was like 20 years old before I actually engaged in personal development and understood that I didn't have to give up personal satisfaction and well-being to be successful at work. The whole reason I do the work I do now in liberating the human spirit is I don't want people to have to wait till their kids are grown to experience a sense of fulfillment, of peace of mind, of health and well-being, even in the face of achievement. Evolve the Leader Within allows you to integrate personal development with professional development so you can live and be your best self all the time. Join us for Evolve the Leader Within. It's a price you can afford. It's a timing you can afford. It's 2 hours every week for 8 weeks, and it is guaranteed to empower you and enable you to live a life you love and love the life you live.